Hello students, today we will continue with grammar chapter 12. As you know that we have completed till exercise B. Now we will start another explanation with exercises. So I request you all, please open your textbook. Assertive and interrogative sentences. A statement or assertive sentence can be changed into a question or an interrogative sentence by changing the word order into a question and replacing the full stop with a question mark. So as you know, we can change assertive to interrogative or interrogative to assertive, but in assertive sentence we are putting full stop in the end of the sentence. With that we will change into question mark, and some other words also, word order also we are changing as question sentence. So we are having here examples. I will read for you. Examples: I would like a cup of tea. That is the simple sentence, means assertive sentence. It will change into interrogative this way: would you like a cup of tea, cup of coffee? So after the coffee, here we have put question sentence. I am a teacher. Are you a teacher? When making interrogative sentences in the simple present tense, we use do or does. So when we are changing simple present tense, so that way there we have to use do or does. When making interrogative sentence in the simple past tense, we are using did. Here we have example: he came home late. Did he come late? So this way we can change into sentences. You want a cup of tea. Do you want a cup of tea? She wears a new dress every day. Does she wear a new dress every day? Girls play badminton. Do girls play badminton? So children, this way we have changed assertive to interrogative. Now we will discuss exercise C. Change these sentences from assertive to interrogative or vice versa. Use the words given in brackets whenever, wherever given. Number 1. Would you like pizza for dinner? Answer: I would like pizza for dinner. 2. Sunita has new clothes for the party. Answer: does Sunita have new clothes for the party? 3. Can you lend me some money? Answer: please lend me some money. 4. Are the girls happy? Answer: the girls are happy. 5. Have the guests arrived? Answer: the guests have arrived. 6. The boys are playing cricket. Answer: are the boys playing cricket? 7. They know how to play chess. Answer: do they know how to play chess? 8. Piku likes mango pickle. Answer: does Piku like mango pickle? Now assertive and exclamatory sentences. So an exclamatory sentence can be changed into an assertive sentence by removing the exclamation mark and the question words like what or how, and rewrite the sentence in statement order with a suitable word for emphasis. So here assertive we are changing into exclamatory sentence can be changed into assertive also. Assertive sentence we can change into exclamatory also. Here we have examples. What an exciting evening it was. Here you can see that it is the exclamation sentence and it ends with exclamatory mark. When it will change into assertive, it was a very exciting evening, and then full stop. How clever of you. You are very clever, or it was very clever of you. Now we will discuss exercise D. Change these sentences from assertive to exclamatory or vice versa. Number 1. Rohit is a very nice boy. What a nice boy Rohit is. After in the end of exclamatory mark. 2. How kind of you to invite us. It was very kind of you to invite us. 3. What a fabulous idea. It is a fabulous idea. 4. It is unbelievable. Answer. It is unbelievable. 5. What a sweet child. It is a very sweet child. 6. It is shocking. How shocking. So children, write all exercise in your grammar textbook and learn it well. Thank you.